Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to react to episode 87 of Black Clover. Last episode, we pretty much saw the birth of the Black Bulls and the Golden Dawn, which was pretty crazy. We saw that both vice captains, aka Vengeance and Yami, Julius, ended up saying like, you know, I have some news for you guys. I'm going to make you both captains of your own squad. You guys get to decide what names you want, and yeah, that's it. Like, you guys are going to be captains. And then they had this little like rivalry deal of like to see who could become a captain before the other, and it turns out that they both became captains at the same time, which was pretty insane. So that's where we left off. It was pretty nice and sweet. And lately my videos have been a little bit longer than usual, so let me know if that's a little bit too much for you guys. Should I shorten it down a little bit more? Let me know in the comments. I don't know if I should make it shorter, if it's too long, if you guys like it long or short. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get reacted to this episode. So sit back, relax, let's go ahead and get started on this video. I have a feeling that she's not gonna be the messenger for the results, but at the same time she might be, because like I said before, she's in there going with a mission. So you're gonna make things so much worse, Yami. How dare you call a lady a beast? What is this, sake? Oh wow, so she's going there to say thank you. Don't know if that's how it works, buddy. Oh boy, don't tell me. Does this mean we're gonna see more trading with them now? Oh, Gordon always coming down with these L's, bro. When is he gonna take a W? She's gonna be like, oh. Oh, let's go. So Magna was the only one that did not pass. That's why she's not taking him. Let's go, baby. So she was the messenger for that. On top of like just saying thank you, she came here to pick up the winners. Come on guys, did we expect anything less from the group? Of course not. Sucks that Magna didn't like pass, but I mean at least the other members did. Let me find out that's fucking Zora, bro. Let me find out that's Zora. Is that Zora? Is Zora from the Black Bulls? Is that what this is going? It's okay, Magna. It's okay. And you see, at least they're not taking it so bad. He's literally like, okay, like, yeah, you're gonna be the fucking Royal Knights, but I'm still gonna get stronger, just you wait. Like, there's always competition, but it's like for the good of it. That's exactly what I'm saying, dude. They're always amped up to just throw hands. I'm thinking a lot of the people that we saw ended up making it. Nice. Now, knowing how all these people are, I wonder how the hierarchy and, you know, who the captain of this squad's gonna be and who they're gonna listen to. Yeah, he's gonna keep falling, but at least he'll keep getting back up.
私はロイヤルナイツ団長に任命されたメレオレオナ・バーミリオンだ。
Well, that answers that. Holy shit. Things just got real.
こちらとしては我が団のバンジャンス団長になってほしかったが、王と守護の陣頭指揮でお忙しいので仕方あるまい。
意義のあるものは遠慮なく申し出ろ。
She's gonna really kick their asses in this. She's gonna put them in the right path though to become like really strong.
今日この時から白夜の魔眼殲滅まで
I'm with the
そ
smoke.
の命私が預からせてもらう。ひふ一人来てないな。遅刻とは舐めているの
I'm
か。
telling you, I think that's Zora.
遅れました。
Zora's a black bull.
大事な命を預ける団長がどれほどのもんか確かめときたくてね。よろしくお願いします。
You're a black bull.
なんでお前がそのロー
Ah, I am loving this. I had my suspicions just because of that little doll that, you know, they showed in that one episode and it was just wearing all black. So I was like, maybe he's a black bull. I was just fucking around and it turns out that he is a black bull.
お前が黒の暴言。
ちょっとちゃんと説明しなさいよ。
もう何年も前のほろ苦い思い出だ。俺はとある理由で魔法騎士どもを片っ端からしばきまくってたんだけどよ。とにかくその時とんでもねえバケモンに出くわして逆にボッコボコにされちまったってわけだ。
Yami.
てめえ。
This was before he probably was even a magic knight.
お前なかなか面白いからやるよそれ。いらねえなら捨てていいよ。
ってホイホイ渡していいもんじゃねえだろうが。
なんだよくわかってんじゃねえか。ま、着たくなったら着ればいいんじゃねえ。
And he wasn't just giving it out like candy. Like, he obviously gave it to him for a reason. And again, Yami knows potential when he sees
ヤ
it.
ミの旦那のスカウトで裏口入団したんだなこれが。俺はザックスじゃねえから。ゾライデアーレだクソチビ後輩。
ゾラってな
What
ん
the
だ。
heck is
それがお前
Zora?
の本名か。
Yes, that's his real name, you dummy.
言うだろ敵を騙すにはまず味方からって。
Yo, guys, he's a fucking
ってい
black
うか
bull.
先輩ですかお前。
そうだよ。
This team,
媚びへつらい
we're learning so much about this
いろいろ
team.
謝れ。
So I wonder if there's more members that we haven't met just yet, or if he's the final piece to this whole thing.
ほら再会の記念に虹色カメムシどうぞ。
貴様らいつまでわちゃわちゃやってるか。すみません。あれみんな。とっくにロイヤルナイツローブに着替えに行ったぞバカ者。
While everybody was just
ロイ
chit
ヤル
chatting.
ナイツローブですと。対白夜の魔眼のために作られた魔法攻撃への耐性に優れたローブだ。貴様らもとっとと着替えろ。
What kind of robes are they? I have a feeling that they're gonna be red. Oh, that looks sick.
アスタと同じ
The teal with that red?
だがお前と肩を並べるなんて
Or maroon, should I say?
魔法帝になるのは俺だ。
Yuna looks majestic as fuck.
よし。
Alright, can we see everybody else with that robe now?
美しい。
They all look like priests, low key.
悪くないわね。
俺のだけ短くない。
Oh.
アスタふざけてるのか。ふざけてねえし。来てみたらこんなんだったんだって。
Why is his so short?
貴様らの他に追加メンバーを招集する。
So they just made his shorter than everybody else's? Wow.
追加メンバー。その者たちは選抜試験を受けてはいないが作戦の実行に不可欠と判断した。シュレンティウムとコブポルタポルト。
So we got some top tier
試
wizards
練の
now.
岩石創生魔法は敵のアジトの模型の作成及び
I still feel like they should prioritize Asa. He went through the whole
コ
tournament
ブは
though,
何
you
かと
know.
役に立つ空間魔法の。
But no, they were like literally, fuck this guy. Just give him half.
そしてもう一人
Julius.
ノゼ
Oh,
ル・シル
never.
バ。この
Oh,
男にも参加してもらう。
Nozel.
ゼ
Okay.
ルお兄様。
Okay.
金玉の
This should be interesting with having his little sister in
これ
there.
は頼もしい。なんと一団員として共に戦うの
This team's
恐れ多すぎ
OP.
る。
So much talent, so
断る
much
とばかり思っ
strength.
ていたがこの3名を加えたお前たちがロイヤルナイツだ。
I fuck with this team.
ちょっとノゼルさん、何を当たり前のように登場してるんです
It's like we're both kings or captains, should I say? Yes, dude, you're a captain yourself. Even she's gonna scare the king. I love an independent woman. The Eye of the Midnight Sun is approaching. And this is the team that's gonna take him down. You know what this means, guys? We're gonna see a bunch of solid fighting. Fuck, he's like in a coma. But at least he's still not dead. AKA Yuno's Grimoire.
自らを真の姿へと生まれ変わらせ強大な力を手に入れるために魔石を集めていることも判明した。残る魔石は3つ。さらにはサードアイである獣魔法の使い手ベッドを倒し火の精霊サラマンダーを従える。
We defeated 2 members. Who did? The Black Bulls did.
残る1人は魔法魔法の使い手ライアン。
And I think that guy's gonna cause the most problems because he can use copy magic. Yes. And then Leaked, bro, when we get to fight Leaked again, it's over with. We're gonna have to keep getting back up. A lot of sacrifices are gonna have to be made, but it's gonna be necessary. Is anybody else getting inspired by her speech now? I want to fight for them.
どうぞ先ほどの話の続きを。
何が続きだ。横から長々話しよって。もう何も言うことがない。
Good, then you can just leave.
そういえば白夜の魔眼のアジトってどこにあるんですか？
That's a good question.
にしてはいい質問じゃ。それは
これから我らが向かう白夜の魔眼のアジト。それはゴーマ地帯グラビド岩石帯の冬ダンジョンの中だ。
They're straight up just chilling.
そんなこと言わないで今度一緒に飲もうね。
Is that Raya on the floor?
断る。
やあライア。
遅いよもう。
起きるのも面倒になってたか。
最低。
やかましいよ。ああパトリー、お前またリヒト君の横ぴったりキープしてるのかよ。明日の式で
I can't wait until they show us what's the main thing about this whole family of Leaked. Like, what's their secret? That
どうリヒト。数ヶ月後に父親になる気分は。
he's gonna be a
して
father?
くれているのを感じる。この子は私たちの未来だ。
Okay,
人間とエルフの
question is
架け橋になる
now,
よ。
リヒト君、テティア。
have we seen this baby as of now? Is this baby someone that we know or have seen?
なんとも淡い夢だったな。目覚めは近いね。
The Royal Knight Squad is officially set and done. We got all the boys from the Black Bulls except Magna. Sadly, the boy did not make it. And also we learned that Zora is actually a Black Bull, which is pretty insane. But I kind of had the theory, like I said before with the doll, it kind of matched up because the doll was all in black. So I was just saying like, oh, maybe it's the Black Bulls that he's from. Put the pieces together, it went on and matched. He's a Black Bull. I fuck with it. I like it. I don't know about you guys. The fact that Sis Leon or Meta Leon, whichever you guys want to call her, she is the leader of the Royal Knight Squad, and I think she is the perfect fit for that because this mission to defeat the Eye of the Midnight Sun is gonna be the hardest thing that they probably have ever gone through, and they need someone strong, fierce, someone that can stand their ground and put order in place, and who better than her? Nevertheless, we saw that Ryo had a dream of him being in the back in the old days, so a lot more mystery as to this whole thing. And we also saw that Leak was actually having a kid. So the question is, have we seen this kid before? I don't know, dude. I don't know. It's still too early to tell, but I'm very excited for this next arc. So this is where we're gonna leave off for today's episode, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'm gonna leave all my socials down below, and I'll see you guys in for the next reaction video. Peace.